Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of ShortBeast AI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros, and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Everyone's making money with viral short videos. But they're burning cash on overpriced tools every single month. ShortBeast AI replaces them all with one-time access, packed with AI tools to create studio-quality product videos, avatar demos, and scroll-stopping ads without monthly fees or editing hassle. Here are the game-changing features that let you auto-generate stunning short videos, with AI voice, visuals, music and more. In just minutes. Create viral animal, baby and fruit character shorts, that attract millions of views and unlock monetization. Create viral meme, motivational and trending shorts, that hooked attention, and grow your followers daily. That drive 100,000+ viral views and pulling thousands followers or subscribers daily from your specific niche. With ShortBeast AI, even your grandma can become well-known author, create kids-friendly storybooks and these legends started with a story. Now they've built empires, inspired generations, and made millions. I've only scratched the surface by mentioning a few successful authors above. There are millions of others who have enjoyed name, fame, and wealth for years. And parents, readers and educators are literally begging for better, smarter alternatives to boring PDFs. Backhand index pointing right, all with zero content creation, zero ebook creation, zero red hot topics selection, zero image design and zero third-party subscriptions, zero freelancers and zero grunt work at your end, period. As soon as you hit your chair for creating and designing your first talking story book, you face tons of distractions and roadblocks on your way ahead. If you're looking to head over to open market AI book creation tools, be ready to shell out whopping amounts at a single go. Wake up to a shocking reality that they charge like crazy and are seldom focused on growing our business. Last, but not the least, if you think of doing everything yourself in order to save time and money, get ready to face the grind as. Yeah, we've finally cracked the code and come up with something that's got your back covered from all ends, even if you're a non-tech guy or you've never made a single penny online. Yes, we're super excited to present this groundbreaking interactive story ebook creation technology that helps bids adieu to expensive and complicated book creation platforms without turn reels into passive income, with affiliate links, digital products and brand deals. Or sell videos for $50 to $500 each to coaches, affiliates, Amazon sellers, software vendors, brands and more. Early action takers get limited time commercial license to provide red-hot talking storybook creation services and unlock unlimited earning potential today. With this exclusive commercial license, you can provide top-notch interactive storybooks creation services to tons of hungry customers at any price and keep the 100% of the profits for yourself. This is a never-offered-before opportunity and will help business owners get their investment back with just one sale. Time is running out. So, hit the buy button and get ShortBeast AI now for a low, one-time payment today. Yeah, what you read is 100% correct. We're rightfully going to raise the pricing soon within a short span of time, and we won't be able to reduce it at any cost for anyone. You've seen the huge benefits that come along with ShortBeast AI, and that makes it a complete no-brainer. Discover how to launch and scale your ShortBeast AI business from scratch and turn it into a 5-figure/month income stream. Learn how to offer ShortBeast AI as a service, attract clients, and build a scalable, faceless digital publishing agency. Unlock simple methods to create picture-based ebooks that engage young readers with visuals, storytelling, and interactive elements. Step-by-step training to publish your ShortBeast AI on Amazon and start generating passive income from self-publishing. Learn how to enhance your courses using ShortBeast AI to deliver interactive learning content that boosts student engagement. Discover how to create a subscription-based model using your ShortBeast AI and deliver fresh content monthly. Beginner-friendly guide to help you plan, write, and format your first storybook using AI and simple storytelling methods. Learn how to bundle multiple ShortBeast AI into high-value offers and maximize your earnings through smart packaging. Add affiliate links inside your books and earn extra income by promoting relevant products in an engaging, non-intrusive way. Turn your ShortBeast AI into irresistible lead magnets that help grow your email list and drive long-term monetization. We're completely sure about the quality, stability and performance of ShortBeast AI that we're happily offering a 30-day money-back guarantee for our valuable customers. Our ultimate aim is to see your business grow, and that's why we created this technology so business owners like you never have to spend a fortune over complicated and expensive third-party storybook creation tools. So, all you need to do is grab your copy, use this mind-blowing AI technology to boost your business from a single dashboard along with tons of other benefits. Still, in the worst circumstances, if you feel that your expectations are not matched, we will be more than happy to return every single penny invested with us for the 30-day period. Say hi to the future of storytelling, grab the brand new AI-powered ShortBeast AI creation technology today. Create. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.